Are you struggling to tuck in the ends of your rug or carpet? I struggled myself till I got this, I don't know the name, from Home Depot. And I also got the rubber mallet, if or hammer, dead blow hammer. I got this also from Home Depot, and the job seems to be going pretty well and pretty fast as well. So I'll show you how I use it, okay? All you have to do is put it at the end here, like that, and make sure you don't damage these boards here. So I aim it towards the bottom and I hit. I don't know if you can see in there. You see how fast it tucks it right in. I'll show you one more time. Trying to get an angle here. All right, so it tucks it right in, stress free. And if you have an extra edge like hanging over, I did make it cut it down from here, so when I tuck it in, it's way easier. It doesn't have much flyaways. So like if you look at these are cut, extra pieces I cut just to make it easy to tuck it in. And good luck, you can really do this yourself. You don't need to hire anybody to lay your rugs and carpets. You can do them. If you need help, just grab somebody else, but I did it myself, and hopefully in a couple of hours I should be done doing my basement. Have a good day, guys. Love you. Bye.